Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy weekly outlook video. So go ahead and smash that like button for me, and we're gonna get started. So right now, we're at a weekly order block with AUD USD that we're kind of reacting to right now. We took out sell side liquidity right here, and we're getting a little bit of reaction now. If you kind of like zoom in into this weekly candle that we just had printed last week, you can see that we came up and we tapped into this up candle right here before the down move, tapped into it, had a little sharp rejection. I think that this week could print a little bearish and maybe come in just a little bit deeper into this PD array right inside of here, or just continue bearish. But if we do push up, then I would expect this high to be the draw and for us to get up into higher premiums, right? Higher PD arrays. So like if you look at the daily, right, we came into this up candle right here, had a nice rejection, created this up candle that could possibly be framed a trade off of, and you can see that there is right here, let's zoom in a little bit. You can see that it's two consecutive up candles right here. I'm paying attention to this area right inside of here with a little bit of fair value gap there. Let's go to the hourly time frame, and you can see that here's the fair value gap. There's also fair value gaps inside of here, so it could come up really high into the premium, but I don't expect it to. I'm also paying attention to this right here, so this up candle before this down move that is kind of like rebalancing to right now, pushing up to. A reason why I'm not completely bullish right now is because of this delivery right here. I don't really want to buy this delivery as that much. I would rather see like a displacement lower, maybe a manipulation, and then a continuation up. But yeah, I'm paying attention to this area to sell. This is the what's first on the menu, and then up here inside of these in this premium, you also have this up candle right here as well. But once we get into here, like we're already close to this one, so I might as well just wait for this one instead to see what price does once it gets into that fair value gap. So we'll see what happens with AU. I'm bearish, but we could be bullish at the same time, so we'll see what happens, you know, because like I said, remember that weekly candle, where that weekly candle is in a discount, so we could just push up, and this next weekly candle could just be bullish, you know what I mean, and be bullish. So we'll see what happens with AU. Let's go to Euro USD. All right, so looking at a Euro USD right now, we took out this sell side liquidity right here, old low, had a nice displacement lower and a nice push up on the weekly candle. Now we didn't, I think we did take out this high, so we did take out this high. It could be some type of bullish pressure once we get down into here, and it could offer some buys to maybe go higher. I do want to potentially sell here, and maybe and higher if it does want to run higher. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna get all the way up there, you know. There's gonna be a minute. So let's just focus on this week, you know what I mean. So yeah, this next weekly candle, I think it could be, we could go bearish. We could be bearish. We could take this out, maybe come higher, and then have a rejection. I don't know. I either want to buy somewhere around here or sell in here. So let's go to the daily. This is the higher time frame we're looking at. You see we have this nice daily order block right inside of here. Look at this up candle, focus on that, drag it to the right. There's a hidden base inside of there as well. So if we come down into here, that's first on the menu before we get down into here. Now right now we ran out this high and we have a reversal type of pattern. So if price does come higher, you see this buy side liquidity pool. If price does come higher and come into more of a deeper premium above here, maybe filling some fair value gap, use this as buy side liquidity inducement, and then maybe continue lower. I might sell here during London for tomorrow, for Monday, because you have this stop point, right? Took out an all high. You have this aggressive rundown displacement, breaking structure, right? We broke multiple structures, right, and cleared sell side liquidity. So this is our dealing range right now. So a sell could potentially happen here. So I might look for a sell inside of here to maybe come and rebalance some of this push right here, bullish push. And then once we get down into this range down here, then I'm most likely gonna want to, you know, buy. You know what I mean? Let me make sure I'm still recording. All right, but yeah, most likely buy down in there. But yeah, that's it with EU. Let's do USD Cad, Canadian dollar. All right. Okay, so looking at USD Cad, let's go to the daily. Looking at USD Cad, we had this run up right here. There is a discount inside of here. We are inside this bullish order block right here. And we could just continue up. But say we don't break this high, I really don't even want to use this PD array because of the relative equal lows down here. This is just all resistance, I mean support, I said resistance, support built up to be ran the hell out. So it could be like a purge and revert. I do want to see it potentially come down here. This is like the ultimate premium discount once we purge down here. But I know that once there's a revert right here, I might look for buys to go a little bit higher, possibly, because you know that's my draw. That's my draw, mate. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it with USD Cad. Once we take out that low, then I'll be happy to sell. GU, you have this up candle before the down move. I'm paying attention to that area. You also have maybe a hourly order block right here with this buy side liquidity. So this is first on the menu. If we get through that, then I'm focused on this area. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of more higher time frame confirmation. You see that we have this sell side liquidity right here in form of an old low with our PD array, which is a form of a daily order block right here to get down into this, right, this down candle. I'm two-sided right now. See, look, because right now I'm bearish. I can't be like, yo, I'm bullish, you know what I mean, until we get down into here. So I'm framing my trade off of this up candle, which reacted to this this area right here, you know what I mean. We could push higher, most definitely, you know what I mean, but because this is like a swing low, swing high, swing low, could push up higher. But you know, like I said, I'm two-sided. I'd rather sell possibly inside of this up candle, and then, you know, get down into here. This is my range right now, from this up candle range to this. Once we break above here, I'm most likely gonna be bullish to take this out, this high out. So yeah, we'll see what happens with GU. You guys with me? If you guys haven't smashed that like button, yeah, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps out for the algorithm, you know, helps me grow. GJ, I'm not gonna focus on GJ right now. Let's do S&P. I'm two-sided on that shit too, bro. So S&P, right? We came and rebalanced this SIBI right here, and you see that this is like a market maker reversal type of pattern. Came and rebalanced. We could, this next weekly candle could have a displacement lower, be bearish, and get, even though we had a little bit of liquidity run right here, we could most definitely push up. But look, just from this reaction, we could be bearish. Yeah, and then continue down to maybe reach more sell side objective. I really don't know exactly where I want to sell besides this up candle right here, because I don't really like any of this price unless there's like more data. But right here, it might offer short-term buys to maybe come higher. I don't know. I'm two-sided. I want to see this low potentially get ran, maybe, you know, or it could just come higher. I'm not gonna force anything. I'm gonna just wait for more data. Let's go to US 100. US 100, we got a little fair value gap right inside of here that price can come into and potentially sell off and come lower, right? Come way lower, because you have this up candle, this up move right here that took a buy side liquidity, ran down here, and now we could come up into this fair value gap and form maybe once in order block forms right here, I'll take a sell. You know what I mean? So yeah, this could happen, you know what I mean? And yeah, sell off. So I'm gonna wait until we come into this fair value gap. We do have this fractal right here where we ran out sell side and we came higher. I don't know how confident I am in buying down here, but it is something that could happen. Because you have this stop point, breaker structure, right? We could come lower and come into here in this volume imbalance, and then maybe run higher to sell off. So if it comes down here, I might look for buys. You see the open of this down candle right here. You had 2 consecutive down candles, so it could touch that, but I'm focused on here. But more so, it'll be very nice refinement if it could get down to this volume imbalance and then fill this in and then continue higher. So keep an eye on that, and then keep an eye on this fair value gap and higher for a possible sell-off. All right, same thing with kind of like US30. We came to a fair value gap, and we had a push. Wait. Wait, was it US30? Okay, oh yeah, US30. See right here, this fair value gap right here. Run lower, we could come up a little bit more, clear out this buy side liquidity, early sellers right here, clear them out. Maybe come deeper into this higher order block, tap into there, respect this fair value gap, continue down, and push a lower. And if that doesn't play out, if we do take that out, then I would expect the draw for us to at least get up into here, and then maybe possibly sell off once there's more confirmation at this order block right here. All right, but yeah, that's it with US30. Let's look at silver. So same thing with silver from last week. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. If you look at silver, I'm still focused on this candle right here. We have some buy side liquidity more accumulated. We kind of purged this a little bit, came and rebalanced this, so we could just definitely sell off. But if we do come above here, this would just be buy side liquidity inducement, early sellers that got in, trailing their stops here, here, and now here to run out, come into here, possibly sell off, or we could come higher. But I'm focused on this area first, and then maybe to sell off. So yeah, that's it with the silver. There's more data for buys that'll show me that, you know, it might want to buy, then I'll come back to that. Fair value gap right here with gold. Also, this 2 consecutive up candles right here with the fair value gap could come into here. First on the menu is here, second on the menu is here. If it goes just a little bit higher, I'll just refine it to the open of this order block right here. Right, so we'll see what happens once we get into this area to possibly sell off. And why do I have this right here? Because this snatched liquidity, but this is like a support area. This might get ran out. Like you could look at this and be like, yo, this took liquidity and it ran up. So yeah, it could be some buys here, but when I this is why I like drawing out support and resistance zones sometimes, because you can see exactly where retail is buying at, and you know there's probably more buyers with their stop losses still down here. It did run this out, right? But there could be more buyers down here, you know what I mean? So we could run that, or we could just reject off of this and continue up. But this, from this low, we failed to take out this high, so I don't really see this low holding, you know what I mean? I really don't see this low holding. If we do come all the way down here, we might get a little sharp rejection from whatever PDA rate order block is down here, but I don't really see it holding that much. Okay, we're still recording. Yeah, I don't really see this holding if we get all the way down here. And look at this delivery. This is just showing you like, yo, gold might sell the fuck off again, you know what I mean? So once we come into here, bam, dip down. We could just dip down from here because we're inside of this down candle. But this is the premium, because if you draw your fib from this high to this low, this is like your dealing range. You want to sell above the 50, because that's where the algo will most likely deliver price to distribute orders, right? So yeah, we could get in there. OTE lines up with this fair value gap as well, and yeah, we gonna make us some bread. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video from me, this weekly outlook. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't yet, just go ahead, do it right now. You know what I mean? For me, do it right now. Share this video if you would like. This might be some good information for one of your buddies or one of your trading group, whatever, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys, like I said, enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.